All right, just saw this rocket trail over here. And it's this thing over here. It's a rocket. Pretty wild. Don't really seem to be going up though. But you'd think it'd be going up in the atmospheres, which kind of makes me wonder where it's going. Because that makes no sense. That's so wild. Like it goes up, then it goes horizontal, and then it just disappears. Is it really going up though? I'm a bit skeptical of that because if it was actually going up into the outer atmosphere, it'd be going up there, not not parallel with the horizon, which is kind of interesting. Makes no sense.